In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have a better grasp on personalizing your QuickBooks experience to suit your needs. So let's dive right into it. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks account, I want you to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear, and it serves as your gateway to customizing various aspects of your QuickBooks experience. Go ahead and give it a click. This will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing multiple settings options. Within this drop-down, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This particular section is crucial because it allows you to make overarching changes to your account's configuration. Make sure you're in the right section before proceeding. Once you're in the Account and Settings window, locate the Sales tab on the left pane. Click on it, and then head over to Sales Form Content. Now for the next step, we're going to enable an option that gives you more control over your sales forms. You'll notice an option called Custom Transaction Numbers. If it's not already enabled, you'll need to click to turn it on. This setting is quite beneficial as it allows you to define specific transaction numbers. By adding this layer of customization and organization to your sales processes, whether it's for invoices or receipts, you're setting up a more streamlined workflow that can significantly boost your efficiency. After you've made these changes, it's crucial not to forget to save your new settings. You'll find the Save button located at the bottom of the page, so be sure to click on that. This step is essential to ensure that all the adjustments you just made are properly implemented in your QuickBooks operations. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added custom fields to your QuickBooks Online setup. This customization will assist both you and your team in managing sales forms with greater efficiency and personalization, tailoring the process to fit your specific business needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips and how-tos designed to simplify your accounting processes. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content for improving your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.